guys, I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I got this item a few days ago, so I went to pick this up at the store. But this item was released, I believe, like last month at the end of May, if I am not mistaken. And this particular item is a special edition piece. And I am just so excited that finally I was able to get a hands on these and add it in my collection. So anyway, this one came in with this box as usual with a ribbon and this card right here. And okay, are you guys ready for this item? Oh, it's kind of snug. Okay, I'm so excited. I actually checked this at the store before I took it home. And yeah, like sometimes with my essay, I would ask, sometimes she would ship it to my address, or sometimes I go, if I have time, and go and pick it up at the store so I could see it for myself. So if I have more time, as much as possible, I go pick it up at the store so I'll be able to inspect it rather than just have them ship it to me and then end up like getting a defective item. But anyway, so far when I was at the store, this one looks gorgeous. I think it looks perfect. So here she is. So anyway, oh my gosh. So this is, okay, here comes my Louis Vuitton FELICIE pochette. This one is in Damier Ebene stud special edition piece. Look how gorgeous is that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So this is the back. Yeah, this is like a coated canvas in the Damier Ebene print. And I love it. Wow. I believe this is maybe my third Ebene in my collection. Because, you know, I have mentioned in my previous vlogs that I'm not really crazy about it. But since they added this studs right here and also with this flowers, I believe this one are monogram flowers. Wow, those are gorgeous. It seems to look like the flowers it has shine to it. It looks like it's shimmery. Wow, it's so beautiful. I just love it. And also what I've noticed right here, this one actually, the pattern is, look at the studs right here. I always think studs and grommets are all the same. Are they the same? So anyway, this one right here at the bottom, this is the larger studs right here, and then right here in the corner, this is the smaller one. So this is more likely a combination of the teeny tiny stud, and then this one is the large one. But this one is, but the press stud closure is larger than the studs itself. Wow, very lovely though. And also right here, the monogram flowers. This is such a beautiful touch to it. And this one is in rose ballerine, like more of like a pink color, but it is so vibrant, and it really stood out, guys. I love it. So the grommets, or the studs, I must say, is only on the flap. So you guys can see, it's only on the flap. Let me just see right there. Turn it on the other side as well. It's only in the flap. As you guys have noticed that this particular piece is actually made up of one continuous piece of canvas. So this is the Louis Vuitton Paris, and then also on this side as well. But if you turn it on the other side, it looks like inverted. It's the other way around. And wow, this one looks gorgeous. I just love it. So once again, this one has a gold hardware, very shiny. And then the press stud closure right here, it's also in gold as well. And then, yeah, this is the new closure that they have. Let me just close this. It's fine. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, it's a little bit hard, but then again, I was being told by the atelier that they have changed the stud closure to this new closure right here, which you need to put a little bit of like force or pressure to close this completely. But it's not too bad though. It's not too bad. But I'm so used to my other FELICIE that it's just so easy to open and close it. So yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at inside. Oh my gosh, look at that lining right there. The lining in this beautiful rose ballerine color. This one is in fabric. This one is a fabric material. Wow. Let me give you a closer look to it. Very nice. The color combination is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Very lovely. So let me just take this insert out. So obviously that all the FELICIEs came in with 2 removable inserts. So let me just show you the interior for this, and let's go ahead and I'll show you later on the inserts. So this one has 1 compartment right here. It is like, yeah, just like a large compartment. And then as you guys have noticed on this side of it, this is a flat pocket on the side that goes all the way from side to side, just like this. This one is flat. And then this is I have here the tag that says, the leather tab says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. So this is made in Spain. I don't normally get anything that's made in Spain, and I'm happy that I got one that's made in Spain. This one is actually engraved with the gold foil because the hardware is in gold. So that's just how it looks on the inside. Beautiful, beautiful lining, guys. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. And also this one again came in with this beautiful shiny chain strap. Okay, so yeah, all of them came in with this beautiful strap. Yeah, obviously this one they haven't really used this one yet because I could still see the protective tape in it. So that's, yeah, so this is pretty much like brand new. Very, very lovely. Oh my goodness, I just love this color combination, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Okay, so let me just take this. So the grommets once again is actually right here on the flap only. On the side is plain, at the bottom is plain, on the other side as well is plain. And then yeah, it actually stops right there with this teeny tiny studs. So it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. So let me just put this one on the side and let's take a look at the insert. So this one, basically FELICIE Pochette came in with 2 inserts. So we have here, this one is the a flat insert that has a zipper. So this one, look at that, this is the zipper pull, which is also in rose ballerine as well. This one has a gold hardware. Let's see, yeah, it is soft. It is actually really soft. And then it says here the inside, this one is actually lined with this smooth leather, which is, this says here Louis Vuitton Paris. Wow, look at the interior, is gorgeous. Yeah, this one is leather, smooth leather. cowhide leather. And I wish that the interior for the pochette is also the same thing, you know. But well, regardless. Yeah, this one is also in rose ballerine as well. This one is more likely a, how is this? This one is textured though. And this one is smooth. So that is the difference between these two together. So yeah, this is just the flat. There's no stud on this. Yeah, very nice. The glazing seems to look great. This one is very soft though, but it's gorgeous. So anyway, moving on to the next pochette that came with it. So look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. So this one has a 4 card slots on each side, so it could fit 8 cards on this. Wow, it's so beautiful. The color, the rose ballerine is stunning, guys. Wow, I love it. This actually, the studs, the monogram flowers, and then the inserts actually makes me like, oh wow, I need to add this in my collection. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Wow, this is actually made of cowhide leather as well. This one is textured, so you guys could see. And then the inside, this one is once again lined with leather, with a smooth leather as well. Very nice. Wow, all of these right here are leather though. So this one, as you guys can see inside the card slot, this one is actually, yeah, lined with, I'm not sure. This one right here on this side is leather, and then on this corner, if you could feel it, it's made up of, it's fabric though. So it's a combination of leather and fabric. Wow, the color. Oh my gosh. It's stunningly beautiful. Wow, absolutely. Are they gorgeous, guys? Definitely. So when I went to the store, she actually she used her phone, and she showed me with her, if this one has a microchip, because this is my very first item that has no date code. So in my previous purchases, all of those has a date code, the traditional date code that was actually heat stamped on a tab. But this time around, there's no date code on this, where usually you could find a date code on this corner, on this side right there. This one didn't have a date code. And she actually showed that to me, and I didn't even take pictures or photos or anything like that, because, you know, sometimes I always try to respect their privacy, you know. I mean, I know that we are a little bit like confused. A lot of you out there were confused about how the microchip works, you know. I mean, a lot of people are also like uncomfortable with it. I'm not interested with getting anything that has no date code, but I personally prefer to have a date code. But then again, they've changed it to microchip, so what else, you know, what else can we do? But anyway, this is my very first purchase that has no date code at all. And I actually try to use my phone. I know that I have an app. It is an NFC Tools app that would detect whether your purse has a microchip or not. So I tried to use it with the NFC Tools, and then yeah, it actually find that it says there is a microchip right there. So it was actually located on this corner. So yeah. And also, if you're interested, I'm not sure if, yeah, I checked the website today before I did my unboxing, and this one has already been sold out today, as of today. So this is the code FELICIE Pochette in the Damier Ebene Special Stud, and then the product code is N60474. And then this one is priced as $1,390 US. That's before tax. bucks. So yeah, you could just call the 1-800 number if you wanted to have this one shipped out to your home address, or contact your sales associate. And guys, I am totally in love with the combination of, like, it's like a revamp of the damier, guys. Oh my goodness, I just love it. Like, this one is my favorite part, is this beautiful monogram flowers, and it's in pink. Oh my goodness, it's my one of my favorite color. And then another, when you open it, a surprise awaits for you with this beautiful interior. Wow, very lovely. Such a beautiful combination of colors. I love those studs. This one actually matches perfectly with the chain, guys. Oh my gosh, just a perfect combination. And the inserts as well, these two inserts, I wish that they could have actually put some grommets on studs on this one, or just like I wouldn't even mind if they would just put those beautiful monogram flowers. They are my favorite. Wow. But yeah, so you could just really like use this as your wallet or anything like that. But regardless, I mean, it definitely makes your money worth, because this too you could use it separately. But yeah, guys, I use all my Felicie with the insert. I don't even use them all together because I didn't have much space. You can even fit your phone or anything else if you would actually like put all those inserts inside. So let me just show that to you. Yeah, there's not much room left. But I know this is a wallet and chain. But then again, yeah, you could just use one of these actually. One of those inserts, and you have some room left for your phone or for your keys. Guys, look at that. The pop of color. This one is gorgeous. Wow, definitely a must. If you love, I mean, I have to be honest that I don't really like, I'm not gonna say like, but I'm not really too keen about this print. But since they added this, it's just like, wow, it's gorgeous. It is beautiful. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys, everybody out there, staying safe and have a great weekend. Bye.